Yes, hello, my name is Peter Markowski. I'm the founder and owner of JungfrauBräu. JungfrauBräu is a brewery in the middle of the Swiss Alps, where the big mountains are. We started about 30 years ago with a small brew house, and every year we get bigger and bigger. And now we make 4 steps where the brewery was getting bigger, and all the 4 steps with PSS. PSS is the company from Slovakia who makes all our tanks, who makes parts of our brew house and everything like this. And we were very happy to work with these guys because they were very correct. The workers worked very hard, and they always ask me, how did you want it? Where did you want it? On which place? And they say, okay, you can make it like this, like this. I say, just tell us what you want, and we make the solution. They had good solutions. They bring us perfect solutions and perfect systems. All in all, we make 3,000 hectoliters. Brew house is made for 5,000 hectoliters. We have a 10 hectoliter brew house, and we have fermentation tanks for 20 hectoliters and 40 hectoliters, and we have storage tanks in 40 hectoliters. And this is all made with one person. One person can make the whole brew house, and in the same time, he's brewing. He can clean the tanks, and he can also fill, for example, kegs or transfer fermented beer from the fermentation side to the storage side. So it's made by one person who can make it in one step, one single step. This is correct. What I wanted to show you is our cleaning system. We have the CIP station. We have the water line who is coming along here, and we go with the CIP line here in the tank and go up, and we wash the tank. It's coming out here with all the rest of the yeast and so on. If this one is done, we just make the connection. Before it was here, the CIP connection. Now we make the connection from this part to this part. And so we have here the way in and here the way back to the CIP station. This is how we make CIP. And we have acid and caustic and disinfection which we can put in the tank. It needs us 1 hour to clean the tanks just by changing this, putting the hose on the tank, and then we have just to open and close the valves at the CIP station. That's it. The next thing, we have just one hose in the whole brewery. This is the one which is coming here and going up to the CIP line. The rest of the brewery, we just make with these 3 lines. The line below is the CIP line. It goes along each tank, goes from the fermentation tanks to the storage tanks on the other side, and goes back to the CIP station. We have no bacteria, we have no hygienical problems, and so they are clean. If it's ready, we can just remove it. After fermentation, we go to the storage tanks, or we go directly to the filling line. So we take this one, which is taking the beer out, and to just make the same, here we open, close this, and we make the bow over here. So we open those, and so it's on the way to the storage tanks or to the filling line. That's it. That's all the system. So we can make 3 things in once. We can clean one tank, CIP one tank. We can fill the next tank, and we can empty the other tank. So we can make 3 works in one step, and that's what we want.